Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Hobe Sound local and long distance movers near me. Are you planning a local move within Hobe Sound, Florida? Curious about how local movers can simplify your transition? Hobe Sound local TM movers are your best bet. Hobe Sound local TM movers possess unparalleled knowledge of the town, enabling us to navigate the streets accurately. Our expertise ensures a smooth and efficient transport of your belongings to your new home. With our commitment to professionalism and exceptional service, you can relax and focus on embracing the charm of Hobe Sound. Trust Hobe Sound local TM movers to handle the logistics while you savor the delights of your new community. Moving locally is one thing, but embarking on a long-distance journey adds a whole new level of complexity. It requires meticulous planning, expertise in logistics, and the ability to keep your belongings safe throughout the journey. The Hobe Sound long-distance 3 movers understand the challenges and have the necessary certifications and experience to make it happen. We know how to protect your precious items during the long haul, providing specialized packing techniques and secure transportation options. Plus, they offer transparent pricing that fits your budget, ensuring no surprises. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hobe Sound Lake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.